When it comes to optimizing your website's SEO, you have a lot of tools to choose from, but two of the most popular AI-powered options are Surfer SEO and SEMrush. So, which one is truly the better choice for SEO optimization? Let's dive into a comparison and find out. Both Surfer SEO and SEMrush are robust platforms, but they cater to different needs in the SEO process. Surfer SEO is more focused on on-page optimization. It analyzes your content against top-ranking pages and provides detailed guidelines on how to improve your text, keyword use, and overall structure. It's a great choice for those who want to improve specific pieces of content quickly. But if you're looking for a tool that offers a broader set of features for a more comprehensive SEO strategy, SEMrush might be the better option. Next thing, Surfer SEO's content editor is highly praised for its ease of use. The AI helps you optimize your articles by suggesting keywords, structure, and even content length, all based on what's ranking best on Google. However, it does require a bit of a learning curve to fully master, especially if you're new to SEO. It can be overwhelming if you're expecting a more straightforward tool. On the flip side, SEMrush is a more holistic platform, offering everything from keyword research to site audits and backlink tracking, which makes it appealing to more seasoned users who want all aspects of SEO under one roof. Moving on to keyword research. SEMrush is a giant in this area. Its keyword tool provides a detailed look at search volume, competition, and trends. It also gives you insights into what your competitors are ranking for, which can be a game changer for developing a strategy. Surfer SEO, while offering keyword analysis, doesn't quite match SEMrush's depth in this area. If you need a tool that gives you extensive keyword data, SEMrush takes the lead. Now, let's talk about backlink tracking. SEMrush excels here too. With its backlink audit and backlink gap tools, you can easily see where your competitors are getting their links from and find new opportunities for your own site. Surfer SEO doesn't offer the same level of backlink analysis, which can be a major drawback if you're looking to build a stronger link profile. The fourth thing to consider is the AI's ability to improve content. Surfer SEO shines with its AI-driven content planner and editor, but it's mostly focused on making your content align with what works for search engines. SEMrush, however, offers a bit more flexibility with its content marketing toolkit, where you can plan, create, and track performance all in one place. The overall user experience on SEMrush is more polished, but it might feel a little crowded for beginners. At the end of the day, both Surfer SEO and SEMrush are solid tools, but they each come with their own strengths and weaknesses. If you're someone who wants to focus on improving specific pieces of content with a straightforward AI-driven approach, Surfer SEO might be the better fit. But if you need a more comprehensive solution that covers everything from keyword research to backlink analysis, SEMrush could be a better choice. However, after trying both of these myself, I've found a better alternative for people who want more than just on-page optimization or keyword tracking. If you're looking for a more complete solution that can help with every aspect of SEO optimization, I recommend taking advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By signing up through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your SEO efforts. Check it out now and see for yourself.